driveway straight.
Oh.
That's 309.
Man, now the truck is running shit.
Yep, they're all under.
Where'd that tire come from?
I don't know, I felt something.
Take exit 95.
Yeah, I ran right over it.
To Illinois 15, then take the first right.
Alright, I'll get off the next exit.
Is that yours?
I would say yes, but I'm not sure.
What was?
Was it big, small?
Big. I'm seeing sparks, I think. Yeah, I'm seeing sparks.
Oh no.
Alright.
Yeah, came straight out underneath the trailer.
Oh, I'm seeing sparks too from the chain dragging. That's all that is. Unless it was a spare tire of the truck. Was it a big tire?
Right. To Illinois 15, then take the first
Probably the
right.
spare tire of the truck.
It looked like it was already tore up. Yeah, it was already blown out.
No shit.
Okay, there's a Circle K.
Yeah, there was no dodging it.
Damage?
Not that I can feel.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Well, there's a Hubs for 309. Circle K. I don't see diesel. Oh, that's a 315 down there. Or is it a 309? Oh, it's going back and forth, so I don't know what that means.
The trailer tires appear to be intact. Looks like I got both spare tires.
Yeah, you're dragging something.
4 3/4 miles.
It's like one of your, looks like your inner driver's side dually.
Do they have diesel?
Oh, I guess not.
Yeah, I didn't see a diesel sign.
No, they don't have diesel here. I made a wrong turn. But,
Oh, wait, right there it is.
wait a minute. This one here, this pump here?
Yeah, see where it says diesel green on the
Yeah.
side? I don't know how much it is.
Yeah, I do. 304.
Well, there you go. It's cheaper than the one.
Oh, you got all four back here.